Imagine a place that's strategically located at the heart of progress. A thriving community where you can live, work, and play. Welcome to Ajoya, Pampanga. Ajoya, Pampanga is strategically located near booming infrastructure development, making it easily accessible via NLEX and other access roads. This prime location ensures that you're always connected to major destinations and opportunities. Ajoya Pampanga's 21-hectare master plan community aims to provide families with a better living experience through its generous open spaces like greenbelts and bucket parks, amenities and homes that are uniquely designed to fit everyone's needs. Experience the charm of two-bedroom single-attached home, perfectly designed for the modern Filipino family. The two-bedroom model unit focuses on bright, vibrant designs that exude youthful vigor. A perfect home for start-up families celebrating early family life and enjoying a clutter-free home for their little ones. Homeowners of three-bedroom units will fall in love with its relaxed and calm design. The warm earth tone invites residents to slow down and take in the moment. With its modern facade and spacious porch, this home is perfect for families. Experience the perfect blend of comfort and